What's up everybody, JD here with VMP Performance, and today we're talking about the VMP Apex Predator Cold Air Induction Intake Kit. I've got a bone stock 2020 GT500 up on the dyno behind me, so we're going to run it for a baseline and establish some figures for you. Then we're going to throw the intake on it and see how much it picks up. So let's go ahead and get started and get this pull going. This bone stock GT500 just laid down 685 rear wheel horsepower. Again, bone stock car, we drove it all the way out to the red line just to see what it was going to lay down before we did anything to it. So now, let's grab some tools in the techs and get this cold air intake kit on and see what it does then. All right, so before the big reveal, let's talk a little bit about the VMP Apex Predator Cold Air Induction Intake Kit. There's a couple of really cool features we've baked into this that are gonna help you in making the most power possible. Let's have a look. First and foremost, this intake kit features a semi-closed box design and an OEM aesthetic. Not only is it an OEM style aesthetic that blends right into the car, it also meshes perfectly well with our Predator Ice Tank kit. So when your goals get crazy, we've got the options and it all blends together perfectly in your ride. Then we're gonna move over to the intake tube. This kit features a 6-inch inlet that runs up here to your throttle body. Up at your throttle body, we send out multiple couplers that'll cover anywhere from the stock throttle body like you see here up to 112 millimeters. And all of this clears your factory rain tray. So there you have it. That is 37 rear wheel horsepower I've gained. The car made 722 rear wheel horsepower with only the intake. No tune change, nothing else. So if you're interested in grabbing this for your 2020 and up GT500, head to the links in the description below, give us a call at sales and support, or email us at sales@vmpperformance. And for more content like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.